What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel. And the ERGO emissions has struck again. The block reward has dropped another 3 ERGO. So what does this mean? This means that a lot of people and miners out there don't do their own research. So as you can see, this guy waits. So now it's going to be even less of an incentive to mine it. I'm almost done with ERGO. It was my go-to after the merge. And then here we have, so will ERGO be profitable or not? A lot of people, miners, whatever, they're fairly new. A huge influx came in the recent bull run of 2021. Now, no one really does research. They watch a video, they look at something, they hear someone talk about a coin on Reddit, and they go and mine it and they're like, okay, awesome, whatever, we're doing this. But in crypto, you should always be researching stuff and know what the coin is all about. So other people that do the research, we know that this is actually a better emission schedule than what ERGO originally had in plan. So at the time of this blog, when it was set up, there was only about 5.5 years left of ERGO emissions. Now, ERGO was set for a 7 or 8 year fully mined out from the time of implementing. So that was around 2018 or something, I believe, when it started. So around 2025, 2026, so the next bull run, ERGO would already be minted out every single coin, and it will only be storage vault fees. Well, they actually changed that emission schedule so that the amount of ERGO drops 3 ERGO every 3 months. And then from there, it'll go down to 3 ERGO. And then once it's at 3 ERGO, it'll remain at 3 ERGO until all the ERGO is minted. This actually implemented an additional 14 years to the whole emission schedule. So ERGO has been pretty upfront. It's on their website, guys. Take a look at it. And you know, all these coins have white papers and everything and their emission schedules and having events and so on. So always look up the coin you're mining. Don't just mine it and get mad at the dev team if something changes that's not in your favor. So if we go to what to mine right now, we can see before power, ERGO is making about 20 cents per day on an RTX 3070 at 160 mega hash. I did put everything into my little spreadsheet here. And as we can see right now, or I guess before, actually, no, it's still right. Right now is right here. And we're at about 19.7 cents. What to mine does round it up, so 20 cents. Now, yesterday or 2 days ago, just before it happened, we were at a 48 block reward. Now we're at 45, and we were making 21 cents before power at the current prices and current hash rates on the network, maintaining a 2-minute block time depending on the difficulty, because it is a little different than other coins. But every halving, so every 3 months here, it's not necessarily halving because it's not cut in half, but there's a 2,160 ERGO drop per 24 hours that every time this does happen. So 3 ERGO less per block over the scheduled 24 hours is 2160. So right now we're hanging at 32,400 ERGO per 24 hours. The next one will be in January. It'll drop to 30,240. April will be 28,080. July will be 25,920. And then October, about a year away, we're going to be down to 23,760. And by the next bull run, we're going to be hanging out around 12,000 and something, which means in order for ERGO to maintain like a profitability of Ethereum in the past bear market or current bear market, at the current emission schedule, it's going to need to hit like $2,500 to be on par with Ethereum. We can see where the emission schedules and hopefully price discovery does come into play. And we can see at the current rates now how much that does drop per 24 hours to miners. And here's our profitability: 19.7, 18.4 cents, 17 cents, 15 cents, 14.4 cents. So if there's no price gain, and I still think the price is going to be dropping, I believe the bottom of the market has not come yet. That's going to be around December or January. Not financial advice, but based on previous bull runs and bear markets, the low usually hits 1 year away from the high. And that is set to happen sometime by the end of the year, early next year. So I think the bottom is still coming. Then we're going to go sideways for a little while and then move up. So we're definitely going to be hanging out at very low profitability over the next year or two. So we'll see what happens in terms of hardware coming off the network some more and miners finally giving up and selling it, because too many people are still holding on to hardware. We do see hash rates dropping across other coins and this coin and all coins, but they're still holding on to the hardware. The massive sell-off has not happened yet. All right, guys, so that pretty much sums up this video. Just a quick one to get through some ergo emissions for you guys. So some people are not sure how this actually works. So there's how it works. Every 3 months, ergo block rewards will be dropping an additional 3 ergo. Let me know your comments in the comments below. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.